Alright guys, today we are over at a friend's place right now, and she lives over here in Dao, and this is it's a typical Filipino neighborhood that we're going to walk through. Really no foreigners in this area. I haven't seen any, but yeah, this is a typical Filipino neighborhood. Right now I'm standing at the Bliss Hotel and Resto over here, and we're just going to take a stroll around and show you basically a typical Filipino neighborhood. Oh, just so you know where we're kind of at, right up there, that road up there is MacArthur, and if you go to the right, that'll take you down to the Dao bus station. But yeah, that's where we're at. We're down this way. What they call what?
Homeside Dao.
Homeside Dao. Got your trike line right there in the shade. Thank you. Salamat. He told me I'm very handsome. Got a little store here, a resto. Sit in there and eat your food. That was a good one. I think that was a balloon. Look, jumped on that one. Let's head straight down here. Oh, check this place out here. What do we have here, Lut? What do we have?
This is like
Quail egg, right?
quail egg.
Quail egg. What's that?
I don't know. Vegetable. Huh?
Vegetable? Oh.
Vegetable.
And sausage. What are these again?
Hipon.
Hipon.
Shrimp.
Little shrimp. Small shrimp.
Ito siya. This is a blood of chicken.
Oh, chicken blood. Quail egg. Yeah. Hey kids. Alright, let's head down this way. This way. Yeah, this way. Fruit stand. Fruits, rice for sale, eggs for sale. What are these, Lit?
The London.
The London.
Yeah, we call it the London.
What are these?
Mango.
Yeah, little mangoes. Peanuts, eggplant. That is bitter melon, right?
No.
That?
No.
What is that?
It's not bitter melon. It's I forgot what's that.
She forgot what it is.
Oh no. I don't know what it is.
Another little rice.
We called it patola.
Patula. You call that patula. Little store closed. There's a barbecue stand right there. Look.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
We need to order.
Order that. Oh, okay. Hello.
Hello.
Little food restaurant. Hello. Hi. Who's saying hi? Hi. Salamat. Barber shop.
Hi.
Hello.
Sa YouTube ka na rin.
Huh?
He's the famous friend that he is already in here.
Another restaurant to sit and eat.
Called it California.
Yeah. Yeah. Videoke rentals. Right here, photo place. Sorry stores. Yeah, this is your typical Filipino neighborhood. I don't think there's any foreigners living in here, and if they are, they're hiding. Apartments here. See, they got their laundry out. Lady doing her laundry inside. Oh, little alleyway. LPG store for your gas. LPG 300 or 530 pesos. There's your prices. Time is it, Lut? Time is it?
It's 5 minutes.
5 minutes till 2. Sun's out, but there's a nice little breeze. I'm okay. Lut here. Hang on, let me show you Lut. Lut.
What?
Lut's got her. Stop, Lut. I don't want to fall in a ditch. Stop. Lut's got her umbrella. She's hiding from the sun.
It's hot.
She's hot. When you're hot, you're hot. Observe, no smoking area. There's a puppy. Another little restaurant right there. Another sorry store. Huh? What's for rent?
Stall.
Oh, stall for rent. There you go. Sorry store. Or a food store, whatever you want. Apartment and stall for rent. Little scooter right here.
So good.
Yeah, tell her about it. Apartment and stall for rent. What's he selling? What's he selling?
Huh?
What's he selling?
That's I forgot.
We forgot.
That's a kind of
Guard dog. Guarding the
corn.
food stall.
Corn.
Corn?
That they put like coconut. Butchi.
J. Billard's Hall and Food House. Oh, they do have pool tables in there.
They have billions.
Yeah. Can I walk in there? Will the dog bite me? Yeah. He didn't try to bite, so I ain't worried about him. So I got a pool hall. Pool hall! Billiards! Alright. There was a fella in there, he yelled to him, but he didn't yell back.
Oh.
So I left before he got his dog after me. Lots of stray dogs running around, lots of stray cats running around. But you know what? If you don't bother them, they're not going to bother you. Except for earlier when I was walking, there was a dog that was tied, and he was on a short leash. He started barking at me. I thought he was going to bite me. But his leash was short, he couldn't get to me. Beauty salon. Hello. A melon street. What'd you say? They're all named on a fruit?
Yeah.
All the streets are named after a fruit through here. Sorry stores. This is the street, right?
Yeah.
Roosters. Got the roasters out. Another store down there. Where's the tilapia? Oh. I don't know what they are. They're not roosters.
That's chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. Oh yeah, here's tilapia.
Yeah.
Here's the tilapia place. Fresh tilapia.
You need to go buy this.
And they cook it on the grill here. Hello, fresh tilapia. Yeah. Zhiyun grocery store. All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna wrap this little walk up. But yeah, there is a typical Filipino neighborhood here in the Philippines. Like I said, I am in Daul and doing our little walk around here, and I got my bodyguard with me because I'd probably be okay if I walked around here by myself, but I don't want to take a chance. So anyways, guys, if you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. Like, share, dislike, choice is always yours. Leave the comments down below, and I guess until next time.